This is a comprehensive 5-step guide to break free from living paycheck to paycheck. Living paycheck to paycheck can be a stressful and frustrating experience. However, with the right approach, we can all break free from this cycle and gain financial security. In this video, I will break down for you 5 practical steps to take in order to break this cycle. Don't forget to get your free guide I put together, linked down below for you. Create your budget tracker. Begin by creating a detailed budget tracker to understand your income sources. This tool should include your salary, freelance work, rental income, and any other sources of revenue. Specify how much you earn from each source and the frequency, for example, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Note if your income varies. For example, if you're a freelancer, you might have irregular income, so it's crucial to anticipate these fluctuations. Let's say you earn $3,000 per month from your full-time job and an additional $500 per month from freelance work. Understanding the total income and its reliability allows you to budget effectively. Face the cold, hard truth. Assess your debt and financial obligations. To confront your financial reality, you must assess your debts and financial obligations. Review your latest bank statement and identify your debts, including credit cards. You have to list the outstanding balances on each card. Loans include car loans, student loans, mortgages, and any private loans. Other debts, be sure to consider any other outstanding financial obligations. For example, you might discover that you have $5,000 in credit card debt, a $15,000 car loan, and $30,000 in student loans. Knowing the real bottom line is essential to develop a plan to address your debt. Money going out. Build a weekly bills tracker. Creating a weekly bills tracker allows you to prioritize essential expenses and ensure they are covered on time. This tracker should include housing, rent or mortgage payments, food, groceries and other essential consumables, transportation, costs related to commuting to work or maintaining your vehicle, healthcare, insurance premiums, and other medical expenses. So, for example, if you pay $1,200 in rent, $300 on groceries, and $100 for transportation, and another $150 for healthcare every month, breaking these expenses down into weekly amounts can help you manage your budget more effectively. Spend deliberately. Now that you've assessed your income and expenses, it's time to create a financial plan that aligns with your goals. Prioritize spending on items that truly add value to your life. Suppose you love to travel. In your ideal world, you would take a dream vacation once a year. By cutting back on unnecessary expenses, you can allocate a portion of your budget to a vacation fund, allowing you to enjoy your passion while maintaining financial stability. Automate and optimize. Automation is key. To ensure your financial plan stays on track, automate various aspects of your finances. Savings. You have to set up automatic transfers from your checking to your savings account. Specific goals. Create automated transfers for monthly, yearly, and dream vacation savings. Debt payments. Automate your debt payments to reduce your overall debt consistently. Bill payments. Use automated bill payments to avoid missing deadlines and incurring late fees. Investments. Automate contributions to your retirement and investment accounts. By automating your savings, you can ensure that a portion of your income is set aside for emergencies or future investments without having to think about it actively. If you need help to break free from the paycheck to paycheck living, I have put together an entire online course for you. I also offer direct coaching for a more hands-on approach. You can read all about it on my website, paycheckpowerhouse.com. Now, if you enjoyed this video, you will like the next one where I put together a comprehensive list of saving tips on low budget. I'll see you there next.